What's up YouTube, welcome to another video. And Samsung Galaxy M31 is a compiling budget Galaxy phone which has been unveiled in previous week. So that device is a monster and has a monster of a battery inside, and also it is coming with an Super AMOLED display and nice cameras are included in that particular price in such a low price, which is insane. So in this particular video I will discuss about its specification, tell you whether this device is going to be worth of buying or not. So before going into the video, if you're new here on the channel, do consider subscribing it. So first we are going to discuss about the display of Samsung Galaxy M31. So in terms of display, it is coming with a 6.4 inch of Super AMOLED Infinity U display with 1080 by 2340 is the pixel, 19.5 by 9 is the aspect ratio, and 411 is the PPI density, which is going to be seen in that particular device. This front has some bezels around the edges, and also it is coming in a U-shaped notch which is holding a 32 megapixel of a selfie camera with the aperture of f2.0, whereas on the back side we have a quad camera setup in which the main camera is of 64 megapixel, 8 megapixel is the ultra wide camera, 5 megapixel is going to be the macro lens, and 5 megapixel is the depth sensor camera. LED flashlight and fingerprint sensor is present on the back side of the device. To go with the daily task, old processor Exynos 9611 is present inside, which has an octa-core CPU and a Mali G70U GPU inside, which gives you a nice performance in terms of gaming. To interact with the device, we have the latest Android 10 based on One UI 2.0 skin on top of that, which will provide us a nice experience while using that particular phone. Memory wise, we have two variants, 6GB and 64GB internal storage. 6GB and 128GB of internal storage is going to be seen in Samsung Galaxy M31, whereas the storage is based on UFS 2.1 and it also supports a micro SD card dedicated slot inside it. Just like last year, this year the M31 includes a massive 6000 mAh of battery but a heartbreaking of 15 watt of charging brick inside, whereas the price of that particular device is 190 euros. So overall, if we look at the device is impressive on such a price point, but the same hardware is introduced in that particular device as we previously last year seen in M30s. Only a few improvements in the camera side you will see, and latest cameras are being introduced in that particular device. Other than that, they are pretty much similar to the previous generation of M30s. So if you are a budget centric person, this phone is going to be one of the nice option for you guys to purchase. So that is pretty much it in this particular video. If you like this video, do consider subscribing it, and thanks for watching. I'll meet you in the next one. Peace out.